Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use voice changer on iPhone. iPhones don't have a built-in voice changer for calls or recordings. You'll need to use a third-party app to modify your voice. These apps let you record, edit, and share altered audio easily. To begin, open the App Store. Search for Voice Changer. Choose a trusted app like Voice Changer Plus, etc. Tap Get to download and install the app. Open the Voice Changer app. Now tap the Start Recording. Allow microphone access when prompted. Tap the record button and tap it again. Speak clearly into your microphone. Stop the recording when finished. Browse available voice effects like robot, helium, deep voice, etc. Tap an effect to apply it. Play back the modified voice, then save or share the recording if needed. Repeat with different effects to explore other options. Tip: most voice changer apps work best for recordings rather than live calls, unless they specifically support real-time voice changing. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.